What is going on, folks? Cordero Simmons back with another video. Today is Mother's Day, May 9th, and you know, we gotta do stuff for our moms, right? My mom isn't currently here. She was here earlier this morning. She went out with my aunt, my grandmother, and my great aunt to go get dinner and enjoy the day and whatnot. My mom's been saying she wants a laptop or a tablet, something she can do a little bit of work on, Skype, you know, Zoom calls, browse the web a little bit. Nothing with too much power, not for what I do or from what anyone else watching this video would do or need. So, I took a trip to Best Buy today and picked up a Chromebook. This is the Samsung. I think this is like the 15.4 inch. I haven't opened it yet, of course, because I just haven't had the time to get around to it. I was gonna go ahead and set this thing up before she got it in hand, but I think I'm just gonna wait on that moment and let her open it herself. So we'll see how this goes. Fully close your eyes. Quit playing.
I'm like, let's make a deal. They're closed. I can't see nothing. Moving from you. They're closed. Please don't say it's a snake. Oh my God, no snake.
All right, open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Wow. Wow. Spike! 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 Okay, okay.
Oh shit.
Open.
Do you even know what this is?
Chromebook. Samsung.
Wow, out of all times, I don't have my regular knife on me. Gotta use my...
Samsung Chromebook. It's something I can use in my endeavors to become a better person for the political day.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
This thing is in here.
Good.
Oh no. Let me fold that in. All right, go ahead.
Should I flip it? Wow. Thank you, son.
You're welcome.
My son knows me. You did this? Oh my God, I'm like so professional now. This is a professional effing Chromebook. And to think I got my mom a Fitbit and had to pair it. Are you gonna be in my screensaver?
I don't know, am I?
Wow. I bet it's gonna be Mickey. I bet
Or is it the other way? I haven't set it up yet. I was going to, but...
This way?
Yes, that way, be careful.
I'm so dumb, I don't know. I'm so green. Wow. Help! I need somebody. Help! Is that it?
Might need some juice.
Thank you, son.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What's the power
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God.
You're welcome.
I got love. You old people.
Okay. Oh man. Yes, Google going off like freaking hound dogs. All right, so you got like 33% right now. Where are your glasses?
Same thing passed in your car. She asked me 5 times today.
I think she's struggling.
I think I gotta get my glasses.
In other words today, folks, I picked up something else for myself. You know, I can never resist going to Best Buy and not getting something for myself. We got a new GoPro accessory. So this display mod has been out for, I don't know how long. And it's been in my Amazon cart for a while. But I had to go ahead and get it since I'm always using this GoPro Hero 8. And I never know if I'm in the frame, like now. So am I in the frame? So yeah, that's because I'm on like wide mode, but I never know if I'm centered or how I'm oriented. So this thing is gonna help out a lot with future projects, correct? Oh man. Okay, so It's a high gloss box, a very, very high gloss box. Matter of fact, we go change the angle. I know I got a lot of stuff on the table right now. Can you see me? You like see me, only me? Am I centered out? Sorry if my wireless mic is an eyesore. Every time I keep it on the inside of my shirt, it flips over directly on the mic and it sounds like that, like muffled as hell. So I gotta flip mine out, and I don't have my primary pocket knife again, so I'm using my multi-tool to open this thing. Always close your knife. Don't want to cut yourself, people. What? Okay. Of course, we got our packaging, this nice little black box. Wow. And it just comes in some plastic. Try not to break it. My God. Okay, I think it pops open. And there we have it. The GoPro Screen Mod, or the Display Mod. It's very clean, very sleek. I guess I should just go ahead and throw this on here. If it's that simple. I think it goes in like that and it flips all the way down like that and covers the existing screen. Of course, I have this mini micro USB port here that goes in. I thought it was USB-C and micro because on the box, it looked like it pretty much covered the entire thing. What? Can't find your glasses? Why not? What?
She can get glasses, go and look at it.
Okay, you heard that?
I think I need to let this thing charge. Or no, it looks like it powers clean on. Oh, I see myself. That's dope. Okay, cool. I'm like, I have 10%. Could you have my phone all the way over there?
I sure did, sir.
So, minus the people in the background, I'm gonna show you what's happening right here. I had to hit this little side button right here to power the thing on. Well, shoot, hold on. This one in particular button right here is the power button for it. And it has like 10%, so I'm guessing I need to charge this thing via USB-C to give it more juice. So this is technically another device I have to worry about being powered up before I use it. I thought that it drew power from the camera, which is actually kind of a plus considering that, you know, it's not gonna kill the GoPro battery, and we already know how, you know, weak, I wouldn't say horrible, but we know how GoPro batteries are. Like I have to constantly change the battery out after, well, like an hour of recording. So I guess you can say it's worth it. I'm gonna flip this thing down and see, oh, and it has an accelerometer in it. So now I have it flipped down and it flipped right over. But if you flip it up, turn it around, it flips. So there is definitely a built-in accelerometer in this thing. Have to forget. Wow. That's why you should have a wider tripod. Do not use the shorty mount while using this unless it's just gonna be in your hands, guys. I mean, it still works. Hey, I see you in the camera over there. Yeah, you. It's later on in the night and we've been opening gifts and goodies all night. I just had to let you guys know my girlfriend got me something. What was the name of the site? You don't remember the name of the site? Okay, so for my Attack on Titan fans, and we all know we've been waiting on, you know, the last final episode to drop. So I just got something to honor our great Captain Levi. Oh, it's not, where's the cord? It's over there somewhere. Hold on. I had to get something to honor that man because he disappeared on the show. We don't even know if he's gonna live or die. They don't mention him in the manga from what I have read up on. So I'm gonna roll to that. eyes on me, so I'm kind of, you know, I'm stuck for words right now. If I was by myself, I would probably be better. Horrible outro, people, I know. Like, the words are right here, but when you have eyes on you and like you make eye contact with those eyes, it all goes out the window.